Let us review program features that separate it from other programs. This program is based on self-directed learning. Self-directed learning aims at making learning a fun-based and result-oriented activity. The learner decides that she wants to learn or go through the learning process. Such programs are based on self-discipline and self-motivation to learn. There are a few parameters that kindle the learning desire in the children. They are integrated with such programs. For example, assessing the child through examinations bring in stress in children. We have avoided this by introducing self-assessment features that replace examinations. Thus, all the sessions have self-assessment features. There is no need to conduct regular examinations. No doubt, the examinations encourage competitive spirits among children. Periodically, we resort to challenges with prizes that encourage competitive spirit. This further encourages learning desires. To accept the challenge or not, we leave it for the students to decide. We feel developing independent spirit amongst children is more important. We firmly believe education should never be commercialized. Hence, all our programs are either free or with minimal cost. The current module is free. As regards why should my child join this program, we believe self-directed learning and homeschooling are going to be the learning modes of 21st century because of the high competitive environments and corona epidemic. This is an opportunity for children to get a feel of things that are going to be the learning modes of the future. Hence, we believe all children should participate. Not only this, we encourage parents and adults also to participate because we believe creating a learning environment in families would enhance children's academic performance. All the parents are welcome to participate. Please contact us in case you need more details. As to the question, will student get certificate after completing this program? This module does not offer certificate of participation, but some of our other modules do offer certificate of participation. Objective of this program is to create self-awareness about learning strengths and weaknesses of the participants. Teaching methodology is self-directed learning, and learning outcomes are developing a few skills out of about 150 skills needed to be developed for facing the future challenges. As regards to the question, is there any kind of assignment at the end of the program? There is an assignment after every session, as we believe self-evaluation should be carried out after every learning step. Thank you for your interest in our